Here are some examples of how quad remesher works. In the left side you can see the original model of Rook, and the right side you can see the retopolized version of Rook. The retopolized version of text model is also looking very good, and you can see every retopolized version looks exactly like the original version. That means quad remesher is very powerful add-on. So watch the video until the end and I will give you this add-on for free. So let's jump into the introduction. So the quad remesher is the industry standard tool for the auto retopology, and you can use it in almost any 3D software like Blender, Maya and Houdini. It's a one-click retopology tool with configurable settings to get desired output. Now I will demonstrate how this add-on works. So here we have the skull model to test the quad remesher tool. So first we have to select the model, and you can see the number of the faces and the vertices are very high. So let's jump into the quad remesher tool settings. So you can change quad count number to get desired quad count in the retopolized model, and you can enable adapt quad count setting to give permission to add more quads in the complex structure and curves, and then press remesh it button to start retopology. And here we got our retopolized model. Also our original model is not deleted, and that's why it's a non-destructive tool. You can see the retopolized model looks exactly like the original model, but you may notice some details are not preserved. So we will solve that by configuring some settings later. But just look at here how much our topology has been improved. Numbers are reduced to 4% of the original model. So now let's talk about the settings. How does they work and what they does and how to use them for our favor. So the first setting is the adapt chord count. I will show you what happened when you turn it off. So we are making retopolized model with the same settings, but this time we don't on the adapt chord count setting. So here we have our retopolized model, and you can see that quads are distributed equally to the whole model, and quad count is closer to what we set. But the model itself looked very terrible because this time tool prioritizes the target quad count, not the quality of the model. So overall, this setting gives permission to tool to use more quads where needed. So let's jump into the second setting. Second setting is the use vertex color. So you can see here, even with the adapt chord count setting, some details get ruined. So here you can use this setting to get more details. So first go to the vertex paint mode and then adjust quad density value according to how much or how less you want quad density in any area. Then start painting the area you want to be more detailed, and the part you paint should become colorful. And if you want some part to be less detailed, so just reduce the value of quad density and then paint that part, and then just press the remesh it button, and the retopolized model should be more detailed. The part you have painted with high value quad density and the part you have painted with a low quad density should become less detailed. That should be happen, but in my case my model has some problem that I can't resolve, obviously because of my lack of knowledge. So let's jump into the third setting, detect hard edges by angle. I will directly show you what happened when you turn it off. So you can see when you turn it off, the sharp angle edges become less detailed, or maybe you can say that it become terrible. So if you on this setting, your sharp edges should not be destroyed. So that's all the settings you actually have to know. So let's talk about how you will get this add-on for free. So first thing I wanna say that if you are capable enough to afford this add-on, just go on this website and buy it from here. This way you can get all the future updates and also customer support. I will also provide link of the website in the description. And if you can't open the link, just copy and paste it into your browser. And if you can't afford it, then I will show you second method. Follow it step by step and you will get it for free. So here you can see these links. Click any of these links and you will get to this website directly. Or you can get the link from my Telegram. Or just comment on my this video and you will get a DM with link, and then I will show you how to proceed. Just follow the steps and you will get this add-on for free. You have to bypass this website to get the add-on. Just do the steps that I show. You have to wait for few seconds, then click to verify, then click to continue, and you have to do that for 3 times and you will get the link and you will get the add-on. Thanks for watching, and if you want any software, any add-on or anything for free, just comment it